Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to add Gemini to Chrome browser. So if I go into this Chrome browser, here you cannot see any Gemini icon. So first we need to get their latest Chrome browser. So that here going to download this place Chrome browser again. That's here you can see this one google.com. So we need to get the latest. Let's click on this download. So this downloaded here. Simply you need to click on this exe file. From Google LLC, let's click on yes button. And this here connecting to internet download waiting to install. Now you can see installation complete. Let's do the close. Then after here closing this one and now opening the Chrome again. So this here Chrome was updated. Then after here we need to do the sign in. So this here click on this sign into Chrome. Here you need to give your email or phone. So let's do the sign in. So here you can see turn on synchronizations. So that I'm not going to do that currently. Here you can see ask Gemini. So Gemini is now added inside the Chrome browser after updating and signing. Now the next is here you can ask any query. So first is here web search that's available, but when you click here AI mode with Gemini that will open. So here you can see get help. Here you can see this is the web search and Gemini. So let's do here a start chat. So I have given the hi message. This is now taking a look tab, gathering details, and hello, how can I help you? So writing there what currently I am using. So this is my next question. Here you can see based on Google Chrome this and this here that's returning this. Okay, so this is how we can do there add Gemini to Chrome browser. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next. Thank you.